Welcome back to Cars Wars Pack. Today, we have something special, a legend reborn. Meet the 2025 Honda S2000, a modern take on the iconic Roadster that redefined sports cars over 2 decades ago. This new S2000 is here to set new standards with its blend of power, style, and pure driving pleasure. The 2025 S2000 keeps the soul of its predecessor but steps into the future with a sleek and sophisticated design. The low-slung body, sculpted lines, and long hood bring back that classic Roadster look. Its redesigned front fascia with LED headlights gives it a fierce, aggressive edge, while the flared fenders and sporty stance hint at its track-ready capabilities. Equipped with 19-inch alloy wheels and performance tires, the new S2000 is built to handle every twist and turn. Under the hood, the 2025 Honda S2000 packs a punch. It features a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine with 315 horsepower and 400 Nm of torque. Honda has also introduced a hybrid variant, combining the turbo engine with an electric motor to deliver a thrilling 400 horsepower. Purists will appreciate the classic 6-speed manual transmission, but for those who want an extra edge, Honda offers a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic for lightning-fast shifts. Honda engineered the S2000 for precision. The 2025 model comes with an adaptive suspension system that adjusts in real time to give you maximum grip and stability. Plus, the 50 hours 50 minutes sway distribution ensures that every corner feels balanced and controlled. With selectable drive modes like Comfort, Sport, and Track, you can dial in the exact performance you want for the road ahead. Inside, Honda has designed a driver-focused cockpit that's both luxurious and functional. The premium leather seats and minimalist dashboard bring elegance, while the advanced digital display gives you all the driving information you need at a glance. The 10.5-inch touchscreen offers seamless integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto,